In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Air Canada online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily perform a check-in through the Air Canada website or the Air Canada mobile app, whatever you prefer. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the website, and of course, you can follow along on your smartphone. So if you want to, go to a web browser on your smartphone or a laptop, a PC, go to aircanada.com, and in here you can use the check-in option at the left side of the screen. So when you click on check-in, you will see this, check into a flight. You will have to enter the necessary booking details. So you can use your Aeroplan number or booking reference and then a passenger's last name. You will see some check-in tips, so they have all of the instructions here for you to follow. Booking reference, 6 letters and or numbers, Aeroplan ID, 9 numbers, AC employee number, 8 letters and or numbers, and then ticket number, 13 numbers. Like I said before, you can also do this through the mobile app. So the process is going to be the same, but of course the layout will be slightly different. Then you can input the necessary details here, and then the name of the passenger. Now, sadly, I don't have any flights that I can display on screen, but from this point onwards, it is very intuitive. If the details were correct, it is going to be approved, and you should do the check-in 24 hours before departure. So keep that in mind. If you input the correct details, but it still doesn't work, then just make sure that it is 24 hours before the actual departure date. And by doing this, you will have checked into your flight on Air Canada online. And you should only have to do this once by inputting the identification, either booking reference, Aeroplan, AC employee, or ticket number, and then the last name. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, as you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. Subscribing means a lot because we will be able to make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.